I know this is used by a lot of people. My wife uses it, but I just grabbed it and started using it myself. Stuff works really good. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, multi-surface. Everyday cleaner, removes dirt, freshens surface. We usually use this in the kitchen for countertops and tables, stuff like that. But I was just pulling this dryer out because I gotta pull this vent and clean it out because it's getting backed up with the lint and stuff. Of course, there was like some kind of like spillage or dirt and all spread out there. As you can see, it's kind of clean right here. All I did was just spray this on there, and this stuff was caked on there pretty bad. It's been sitting there just drying up and sticking to the floor. So I just sprayed that on there, let it sit for a minute, and then taking a paper towel and then just wiping across there, and look how clean it gets that. It cleans it very well, and it smells good. Like I said, this one's the basil scent. It's got me wondering what else I can use it on. I'm telling you, this stuff works so good, it makes you want to clean your house and keep cleaning it just because of how nice of a result you have after you clean things. Then you realize how dirty it was, but also how clean you can get it with Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. You ain't lying, Myers. You can eat all these floors. I know I would.